Hello everyone! Do you still remember me? I was the one posting videos about 2 or 3 times a week. This has changed. So my last video is about 2 weeks ago, I think, and time is really short on this end. So life is busy. I am working on about 7 projects at one time. None of them are finished, so I had to dig a bit deeper in my storage here for the video footage. And yeah, I found this video that I didn't post yet because I did not really like the end result that much. So it's up to you to decide if I did a good job on this one or not. For me, it is too much pink in the end. So I wished it to be less vibrant pink, screaming pink in the end. But yeah, I kind of like a technique. I did this technique before and a couple of you might have seen that video. I'm going to link it here in this video as well, so that you can see how I wanted this result to actually look like as well. So technique wise it is pretty much the same. I did not use any insulation foam here as I did in the other video, but I did use the same plaster, I did use the same resin, some glass stones, and of course the Mica flake paste. I will not make the complete tutorial voiceover over this video, just due to the fact that I'm running out of time currently. So I will play some music, let you watch it. If you have any questions about the what I did facts, let me know in the comment section so that I can answer them in written form this time. And once I have catched up with all the projects that I'm currently working on and was able to make the videos about them, you will again more frequently see a video from me uploaded. So our vacation is coming close as well, so we will have some vlogs there. Not really sure if I'm going to be able to post during the vacation as it's a cruise and wireless internet or internet in general might be a tricky thing. So we will see. Stay with me, stay tuned, don't leave my channel, don't unfollow please. And yeah, I hope you kind of enjoy this video here as well, at least the music. So yeah, basically I want to say sorry for being that silent the last days and weeks already, but stay tuned, more is to come, and once I finished everything, it will be here as well. Thank you for your time, thank you for your patience, and see you in my next videos. Enjoy!